Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a commercial light switch. This is a Leviton 20 amp, 120, 277 volt, commercial grade, single pole switch, ivory. I'm going to show you all how to hook it up. So here it is, and here's the box. I got an 1.5 inch mud ring, single device mud ring on here, alright. And here's the switch, and it has little side wiring, the plates, the clamps. Alright, this has got the clamps on it, and I'm going to show y'all how to hook it up. So first off, I've got 12-2 MC wire coming in the bottom here. I got 12-2 MC wire coming out the top, coming out going up to for a light, and I got some 12-2 MC leaving the box. So what I'm going to do here, and this is another single pole switch, passing Seymour, but I'm going to use the Leviton one because it's got those little metal clamps on it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut these back because I'm not going to bend the hooks on here. Okay. And I'm going to hook up the ground one first. Trying to line this thing up. Okay, I'll get it. Maybe it only takes 14. But it is a 20 amp switch, so it should be able to take number 12. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me just cut a little bit more of that off. And now I've got an 11-in-1 here, Klein Tools, and I'm going to use the square bit, number 1 square bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, okay, there's that. And see, it's so easy to hook these up. It cuts installation time in half. It's the first time I've actually used one of these Leviton clamp switches. There we go. Okay. Come on now. I could probably do it faster than this, but I'm just... Okay. So there it is. Now I'm going to screw it into the box. Oh yeah, this is going to work well. This is going to go good. Okay. Now hopefully, and this is a spec grade switch. I'm not going to put the cover on yet. There we go. And that's it. That's how you hook up a commercial single pole switch. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video, and have a nice day. Bye.